Hi, Taram. Welcome to Beanstalk. That's my great pleasure having you with me today. How are you?
How are you, Mas?
Oh, good. Yourself?
Good. How are you?
All good. Thank you. So, let's talk a bit about yourself. Who you are, a bit of background.
Well, I'm a business developer specialist. So I started working in IKEA as a business developer back then. I developed a handicraft division in Indonesia for IKEA, where now we export thousands of container from Indonesia to IKEA worldwide for handicraft item, yeah. And then I jump into the consulting industry, and I become a consultant of productivity. And after that, I become environmental business development during the carbon credit era, 2005, 2007. Back then, I learned more about the renewable energy and everything. So since then, I focus on my own business in business development for renewable energy. I developed 7 biogas projects. Now I'm the last 5 or 7 years, I work on developing my own hydropower. Currently is still waiting for the utility company PPA, but only one project already running. So now I start thinking about how to give a solution of this Indonesia electricity, especially in renewable energy. So yeah, that's about me. And now I developed this company, Hydrobox.id is our product. Since
Let me, before we start talking about your band too, what about the consumption of coal and carbon energy in Indonesia?
yeah,
It's very high for what is
very
meant.
high. Yeah, we Indonesia government commit to reduce greenhouse gas emission certain percent, and then they're still building coal fire plant. So every time hydropower built and then coal fire built. So the percentage is still the same.
It's very high. I think you're something like, I was reading even on your deck, 90%.
Yeah, I think 90%.
That's astonishing, but very bad. Anyway, let's talk about your bench, okay? And I've been through your deck just a bit before our Beanstalk. It's very intriguing your way to solve the problem and at the same time, be very focused on mining, crypto, and blockchain. Let's talk about it a bit, all right?
Yeah, since the development of hydropower is stagnant because the national electricity company doesn't sign any PPA for the last 3 years or 5 years maybe for renewable energy. Yeah,
That's the
so
joke.
yeah,
Right.
they are mentioned everywhere that they are supporting green energy, but there's no PPA sign. So I start thinking about the alternative for the hydropower developer, that a business that need power consumption very high is data center and Bitcoin mining. So I work at the hydropower, and at home I have mining rigs, and my friend also. So we start simplify the business the old way, like this: the hydro sell electricity to electricity company, and then the miner buy electricity and then run the blockchain. So transaction like this. So we simplify by combining this hydro and mining in one side. So the transaction is only to the blockchain.
Yeah.
So by doing this, we can start anytime. All hydropower developer can join us. We can develop their hydropower projects. We also have maybe 100, more than 100 location available for doing this. So we are become the alternative of taker. So the blockchain also now is on the spotlight because the energy consumption is very high. Elon Musk also mentioned about this, and then actually it increased the awareness of the renewable energy power for Bitcoin mining. Also in China, they are currently actually supplying half of world Bitcoin, but now they have kicked out from the country, so they move everywhere. They are moving to Texas. So because they run Bitcoin on subsidized electricity, so the government angry. So actually Indonesia is not very high. It's only one step above China electricity price. So I see there's even if you go to YouTube and you find a Bitcoin mining Indonesia, and then there's a lot more than before. That's why I come up with idea. So it's time to make a Bitcoin mining powered with hydro power.
Sure.
Even if they are mostly are running by electricity from the electricity company, they are profitable. So our company will be more profitable because we run our own electricity.
So your idea is producing hydro green energy and selling them directly to the mining,
Yeah, we
and the all
can.
transaction will be on the blockchain.
Yeah, so it
Okay.
will solve hydropower's problem and the miner's problem. Hydropower problem is because the electricity demand from in the electricity company, they said they are oversupplied, and then coal fire is cheaper than renewable. And so also for the miners, they are looking for a more green, sustainable development, and also they are looking for lower costs, because if they plug into the electricity network during the peak hour, they get extra tariff, yeah.
Yeah.
And also this to anticipate the regulation change, like what happened in China, because it is still subsidized. So our solution is utilizing abandoned hydropower. There are many in Java Island itself, all over Indonesia. So this solution will help mining crypto at lower cost, lower than the electricity company. And then we can invite investors to mine crypto using our facility. We call it mining as a service. And also, since we have internet access there, so we can share to the rural communities. Many of the hydro power located in the rural, and they, on those villages, they don't have internet, so we can become the internet provider on those specific areas. Also in Java only, we have calculated it's more than 100 megawatt all over Java, not mentioned Sumatra, Kalimantan. So this Java alone, there are more than 100 megawatt. So we can have all of this as a potential location.
So these 100 megawatt are already produced or can be produced?
Can be produced.
Okay. So how much is produced now in green hydro?
In Indonesia, the utilization is only 6% of the potential.
So just 6% is produced and nothing else, right?
Yeah. Those
Just
hydropower abandoned. We are trying to develop the feasibility study and offer to the National Electricity Company.
Yeah.
And wait.
Okay.
Because we cannot sell electricity to public. We have to sell to the National Electricity Company.
Okay. And they sell back to the public.
Yeah. And if we do this and then we develop the mining location at near the site, it is a captive use. It is possible.
So
because
your idea is having the mining location, sorry, the green hydropower side, and inside you will create the mining, okay? So it's a captive. It is why you can do it, right? Without going to the public company, sell them, and they sell back to you.
Yeah. So we don't need contract with anyone. We only need permits to do this from the local government, from the irrigation canal owner. Yeah, it is a ministry. We will need a permit if we want to use the irrigation canal. And also, if we use the river, we ask the permit from the local government. But then we can set up a mining facility nearby, maybe 1 or up to 5 kilometers from the site is okay.
So what happens if tomorrow, I don't know, 3 mining, let's say companies, anyway, everyone wants to mine, they come to you and say, you know what, we actually want to come to Indonesia in mining, okay? Because China probably kick us out and and Texas is too far away. So we don't want to go there. We want to come to you. So how long does it take, the process, to make these people start mining?
For development of a small, or we call it pico hydro, it's less than 1 megawatt, maybe it would only take 3 months. But mini hydro, maybe it will take half year. But for the large hydro, it will take 1 year to 1.5 years.
I mean, the consumption, that's why the debate is strong, because the consumption of energy is unbelievably high when it comes to mining, okay? So how much can you mine when with 100 megawatt? How much?
Oh, very much because I only calculate the small irrigation canal. If let's say from
So let me rephrase. In your business plan, you have 5 kilowatt, okay? That's the minimum investment, right? Let's say you find investing 100, 150, I don't remember, anyway, something around 100, 150,000 USD. How much you can mine with 5 kilowatt?
with 5 kilowatt is approximately we call it 500 megahash per second. This can generate revenue for 150,000 per year.
Okay.
This is from 10 of 5 kilowatt. So 50 kilowatt, yeah, 50 kilowatt.
Okay. So let me ask you, for a sustainable business, which means having a community of mining who are not polluting the world, but maybe using, that's why they come into you, using green hydro energy, right? To create, to mining, blockchain, crypto, whatever it is. And how much is needed in terms of megawatt or gigawatt to have, you know, an established business, a business that can run without going out of energy, right? Because sometimes happen already. You have blackouts. Eh? In Europe, you experience a very tough time with energy.
Yeah, we haven't get to this detailed calculation on that because we are planning to build. At this moment, we are planning to build the hydro and the mining belong to us, that run by us.
Okay.
So for the expansion later, if you can see on the other mining as a service company,
Yeah.
They charge very high. I think $20,000 per month. I think for certain Bitcoin hash rate. Yeah.
Okay.
We haven't got to that detail, but that's why we need this pilot plan to calculate how much actually we should sell our mining as a service. Right now, our plan is mining for ourselves, develop hydropower and develop the mining facility. With this, we can calculate how much we can offer to the.
You are planning to have your mining, and after done the first pilot, understanding how much you can sell.
Yeah, because I see from other mining as a service company, it's very huge. I just, is it right or wrong?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, so it's better to run by ourselves, a small one. I have it here is near my house. The D is my house here. And this is the central of Jakarta. So it's only few 20 kilometers from my house. There's a dam like this, belong to the Ministry of Utility, Public Utility. We are talking now with them to use this facility. We just put our pipe just to pass this water to the generator and generate electricity for maybe 15 kilowatt.
Okay. So this can be your first one.
Yeah.
Your pilot, okay?
Yeah, the total cost, it will be $1 million. Okay. But the IRR is very big.
Yeah, I can see.
This one I use the calculator of Nice has. On the calculator, the facility like this can generate like this.
So let me ask you, you went to mining because you can't sell hydro. Okay, now nobody's going to buy hydro from you, even if you have 10, 15, 20 of these location and hydro where you can sell, but nobody's going to buy anything, right? Because they prefer coal, then hydro is less expensive. Now, let's say you kick off your business and you start create your mining, and are you going one day go back to create more green energy for your community, or your business will be and is going only to be mining, green energy for mining, so for Bitcoin, crypto, and blockchain and whatsoever?
Yeah.
What's your idea?
Yeah, it's just because the simple, we don't need to contract any off-taker. We just log into the mining pool, and then we can start mining. The money is come from the fee of mining, right?
Of course. I mean, let's get more in details. I mean, how many plants, hydro plants you want to create, and how much do you think are you going to mining after your first pilot?
This is what I have forecast. Maybe in Indonesia there are 1,000 location potential. So what we see here is based on per project 15 kilowatt. So one project is, if we say the first year we start 5 project with 15 kilowatt, and then next project is 10.
When you talk about project, any 5 means 5 plants?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe 5 plant or 5 times 50 kilowatt. It depends on what we found out in the hydropower potential.
Okay.
So it will be, it may be 10 times 15 kilowatt, maybe only 4 location something.
Okay.
So this is what we have studied. It's very close to Jakarta, so we can easily invite a potential investor near in Jakarta. Just drive for 1 hour to see the potential and to see the mining facility that already run, so they can develop another location like that.
These are the first 3 in your pipeline?
Yeah, this is the first 3 potential location because near Jakarta.
Okay, so you know them very well, I presume.
Yeah, it's very close to my home.
Oh, that's great. That's a good location. Yeah. You don't need to move too much.
Yeah. And the investors are in Jakarta, right?
Yeah, I mean, let's keep this 3. How much do you need in terms of investment for running the first 3 plants?
I think 3 million, because one project is $1 million.
Okay. And so if we go back to the previous slide, so this is inside the first 5.
Yeah.
And you can generate 45,000 gross revenue and 22.5 in company revenue.
Yeah.
I mean, that's a big jump from 5 to 400 in 4 years. So
yeah. I mean, this is maybe not 200, but this is 2 times 15 kilowatt.
Okay.
200 times 15 kilowatt. So
Okay.
maybe only 10 location, but it is 200 package.
Okay. All right. Okay. I mean, it's pretty clear. I mean, let me say, mining needs a pivot. We can't destroy this world because we need some crypto. I mean, honestly, okay, crypto is fine, it's going to be the future, but today we can stay without any problem living without crypto, okay? And we can even live without blockchain, although that's the future, and I do love we can create a blockchain and crypto industry without consuming all this energy, because now it's extremely consuming, extremely polluting. So I have nothing against crypto, nothing against mining, but as I said, this is why I really welcome your project. We need green. We need green for everything. We need to simply cancel, erase coal and any kind of polluting energy creation. Okay, so I really welcome your Benson, and I really I really hope many people like you can go through this and using hydro energy for not only for mining, for everything. So let me ask you, I mean, as I like to close any Beast talk, what can be, what do you like to be your message that you want to deliver to investors? What, why they should invest in your business and your venture?
Well, basically because every second now there is energy wasted. Running water, it's not utilized. So you can see on the slide here, we have a potential 25 megawatt project. It's also not too far from Jakarta. It's in West Java. It's maybe 2-hour drive. We can put a small dam here, 60-meter height, and we can generate 25 megawatt. And we have a lot of empty space. We can buy this land and to build the mining facility that large scale. So with this concept, we can utilize all hydro potential which not utilized by electricity company.
Yeah.
So we don't waste energy. We want to utilize them.
I mean, you know, investors invest money, they want their money back plus something else on top of it, okay? The capital gain. So do you have any exit plan for your investors? If I come to you, I give you $500,000, how I'm going to get my money back except for money coming from dividends if you can pay dividends? So who is going to buy your plants one day, or who is going to buy your mining one day if you're going to sell?
We can do the IPO because the mining facility can be converted into a data center. Data center in all countries, there must be a data center. So in Indonesia now, we are building many data center like 10 megawatt, 40 megawatt, all in running by National Electricity Company grid, yeah. So the exit plan, we can sell the using IPO channel. We can become the largest mining company in Indonesia. I think all the millennials investor would like to chip in 1 billion or 2 billion rupiah.
Sure.
In a cool company, right? They want to look cool. But also we can all the equipment, expensive equipment is in the IT facility actually. Compare with the hydropower equipment, maybe it's only 10% compared with the IT equipment. And those IT equipment actually we can sell in pieces if we want to replace with something else, right? We can sell the VGA card or the Antminer in online marketplace, and we can buy suitable. Maybe if we have 25 megawatt, or there is a furniture factory need electricity, we can convert into furniture factory if they still need 25 megawatt, something like that.
Absolutely.
Yeah, many ways to exit.
Tara, I really thank you for coming to BizTalk. I do hope you can go ahead with your project, and we need a clean energy, whatever is going to be the use, but we need to start using just clean and remove all carbons.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Max.
Thanks for your time. I hope we can have a nice BizTalk later on. Thank you. Take care.